for the rain to wash away the pain, 'cause it's a dirty game. Oh Lord, waiting for the rain. We be waiting for the rain to wash away the pain, 'cause it's a dirty game. Oh Lord, oh Lord.
My young niggas on the block, they just trying to get in, disappearing in the wind, just like most of my friends. Now I don't blame a brother for his hustle. You got to eat, but it's wicked down here, dog, in the south on the streets, playing for keeps, and the game is getting deeper in debt. Sharing cigarettes, got them youngsters thinking they vets, toting texts with no technique. Another stray, another gloomy day around the way where we used to play, waiting for rain to wash the footsteps, and bystanders saw who did it, but it's quiet as kept. Like a mouse running through a maze, the hood is a trap. Animals fit for survival, we got to adapt, and what the cops ain't trying to solve. Niggas on the street be trying to piece together, but don't get involved. It's a vicious cycle, praying to St. Michael for help. On the ropes and ain't nobody in your corner but self.
Waiting for the rain, we be waiting for the rain to wash away the pain, 'cause it's a dirty game. Oh Lord, waiting for the rain. We be waiting for the rain to wash away the pain, 'cause it's a dirty game. Oh Lord, oh
Little niggas blasted for the cash, then mashed off in the glass to the house, laughing and left her mama crying her heart out. This cold world can make some cold situations. If you get caught up, it's just the fate that you was facing. Used to could leave your door unlocked, now try it your ride. Fights been quit being fair, you can get shot in the squad. The only hard throbs we know here is the last beat before the flat. Was dying to leave the hood, now never to come back. This crack kills, but crack saves. Hypnotized to be wild when shaking the fire, watching yo on the swell. We in a living hell, zombies out here walking the street. Crack dealers and the fiends do they thing with no sleep. Ain't no next generation, bruh, we killing our cause. I wish life was like a beat, man, I put it on pause, then try to record. It's a vicious cycle for real, like a deck of cards shuffle, catching lost in the deal.
waiting for the rain, we be waiting for the rain to wash away the pain, 'cause it's a dirty game. Oh Lord, waiting for the rain, we be waiting for the rain to wash away the pain, 'cause it's a dirty game. Oh Lord, oh Lord.
Roaches in the cereal on Saturday morning. Baby's hungry, grabbing handfuls, stretching and yawning. Now mama's still in the bed, she done worked all night. And dad bounced last week, he gone back to his wife. They misguided, misled, all out confused. Snotty nose, tummy aching, with holes in their shoes. Who gon' win if we all lose? What possibly could be a prodigy to be another page in the news. I sing the blues till my soul hurt, kicking the dirt. If I could change it, would the turf still be worth all the stains that came from blood from brothers in God? Didn't know them, but I still took it hard, trying to understand the troubled life. Busted water pipes with no lights, by the candle fire, eating cold beans and rice. To watch mama put on her uniform, heels in the skirt, patting me on my head, saying that one day it's gon' work. Ain't nothing nice when that rent due. Nothing but me for me, so it's you for you. But still watch what you do, 'cause it's a vicious cycle, praying to St. Michael for help. On the ropes and ain't nobody in your corner but self. Even on our sunniest of days we have struggle, and even those who follow daily rules for survival want a deeper change, but can't stand still and wait on it to come. Go ahead and struggle through your sunny days, and when it rains, embrace it. They're the tears from heaven shed for us. Go on out in the rain, feel it on your face, touch it, know that everything's gonna be alright. Wait,
we be waiting for the rain to wash away the pain, 'cause it's a dirty game. Oh Lord, waiting for the rain, we be waiting for the rain to wash away the pain, 'cause it's a dirty game.